Okay, so you're thinking about buying a boat. Maybe you think you can't afford one, like one of those sleek bay boats or center consoles you see around the marina. Here's some exciting news that brings stylish boating within reach for under $20,000. The Island Series. The legendary boat builders at Sportsman Boats have re-engineered affordable boating. 17 and 19-foot Island Reef center consoles will get you where the action is. 18 and 20-foot Island bays will put you in a popular bay-style boat at a price you can truly afford. Like all Sportsman boats, the Island Series is not a flat-bottomed skiff or a stripped-down shell. Starting at under $20,000, yes, you heard right, for less than $20,000, you can have the same solid construction, the same reliable 4-stroke Yamaha power, the same dry, stable ride that Sportsman is famous for, and the same stainless steel fittings and meticulous finish that sets Sportsman Boats at the top of its class. To find the perfect, affordable fishing machine that puts your family first, contact your nearest Sportsman Boats dealer and discover that with the Island Series by Sportsman, you can have it all.